Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. In today's episode, I'll be telling you if you want to grow mango plant in container, in terrace garden or balcony garden, this is the best video for you. I'll be telling everything about what are the varieties would be best suitable for your growing and how to take care, how to transplant them, what would be the soil mix, everything I'll tell you. Please watch the entire video. You'll learn everything about the growing mangoes, best qualities mango, very sweet mangoes in your terrace or in your balcony. Best. First, you have to choose the selected variety for best suitable for your terrace gardening. Here the plants should be very dwarf variety and may fruit a long beautiful fruits here. This is the variety I have bought, and first time if you buy any plant, they make sure there is a fruit there, so that you are here at the some grafted plant. You see the lower portion is the stock portion, wild variety, and the upper portion is the cyan portion. This is the grafted portion where the best variety is grafted here. This is the plant I have bought from nursery. This is Bhastara variety. There are the lots of varieties suitable for growing in stock, and there should be any tag, proper tag, so that you can select the proper variety for your mango for growing in your terrace or in container. Now I'll tell you which are the best suitable variety for this. I'll tell you some of the varieties that are best suitable for containers. They should be bushy and the dwarf variety, and they should be very suitable for container gardening. Here some of the best varieties are. Please note down the names of this variety. This first name is Subarna Rekha. This is the very nice variety. Another variety is Bhastara, and another very popular is Thai All Time. This is also flowers and fruits around the year. You can get the fruit. If you want some sweet variety, then you can select Katimon. Katimon is a very sweet variety. Another sweet variety is Badi 11. This is a big fruits and with the lots of fruits, and you can grow very sweet fruit. And one thing you must care that there should be proper tag in that plant. And this is the Bhastara plant I have bought from nursery. And just remove the grow bag, and make sure you don't cut any sort of roots from here. If you cut the root, then the plant may go to shock. So I am removing the grow bag very carefully. After cutting it properly, remove the entire grow bag properly with the proper root ball. Now I'll be telling you, if you I am taking 10-inch pot, earthen pot. Here are some bottom hole here, and at the bottom part I am putting some of the stone chips. If you want, you can grow, you can use some brick chips also. This is for drainage purposes also. This is the first layer where I am putting here, and in over that I'll be adding some sand, river sand. This is the construction river sand, and this is for the bed purpose and for proper drainage purpose, and the hole wouldn't be blocked in any way. So this is here. Now I am telling you what should be the actual soil mix here. You can take 70% garden soil, 30% compost. That will do. If your soil is very clayey, in that case you can choose 60% garden soil, 30% compost, and 10% river sand or the bajri or construction. This is the best, and they will make you very beautiful. And now here I am mixing some amount of bone meal. This contains 3% nitrogen and 15% phosphorus. So there should be proper growth of the plant as well as the roots also. And in that I am adding some of the horn meal or hoop meal. So this contains lots of nitrogen. So plant will get beautiful growth. This is the horn meal or hoop meal. If you want, you can skip these two. Many people do not like any of the animal products. So in that case, you can skip that one also. And here I am adding some of this neem cake powder. This is a fungicide or insecticide, as well as they contain lots of micronutrients. So you can add, and that will serve your purpose of a heavy growth in this and beautiful fruiting in your plants. So this is the soil mix. All mix it oil properly. After mixing it properly, just fill up the pot here, and I am making a layer of around a 4-inch layer. This soil mix, after mixing it properly, soil, I am making around 4-inch of layer, and in that layer you transplant the plant with the whole root ball. Don't remove any kind of soil from it. This is the entire root ball I am putting here, so that the plant do not go to any kind of plants transplanted shock. And now fill up the rest of the portion here. One thing you may make sure that the joint portion, that is a grafted portion, should be above the soil surface. That should not go below the soil surface. So this is the one thing you must take careful. And July, August, and September, these 3 months are suitable for transplantation in our countries. This is the now monsoon season is the best season for transplanting in. And after transplantation, you must add some water, apply some water, and this is all. And one thing I tell you, must remember that whenever you are growing in the pot or container, you should know when you get fruit, you should get the fruit or not. This is the fruit that I am this Bhastar variety. And I tell you, in the first year you have to remove the every kind of mango flower from here, and in the second year 50% you have to remove the mango flower, and the third year 30%, and later on you can get the flowers from here, fruits from here entire season. And this is the in 1 year you can get 2 to 3 types of fruit. So this is the all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.